1. Expansion base. The C400 Pro extended battery combo includes a dedicated expansion base. It can be used to attach accessories, such as a fill light, providing more shooting options. Align the opening of the expansion base with the camera's USB-C port. Slowly push the base upward, along the bottom edge of the camera. Tighten the screw on the bottom to secure it. 2. Fill light. Once the expansion base is installed, a fill light can be attached to the camera. A fill light can improve image quality in low light environments. Position the light panel facing upward and on the same side as the camera lens. Align the mount with the slot on the expansion base. Turn it clockwise until securely tightened. Press and hold the power button to turn the fill light on or off. Press the M button to switch between 3 color temperature settings. Press the plus or button to adjust the brightness. Use a USB-C cable to charge the fill light. The indicator will remain solid red while charging. The red indicator will turn off when charging is complete. 3. Tripod. Mounting the camera on a tripod provides stable, fixed position shooting. Align the 1/4-inch threaded hole on the bottom of the controller with the tripod screw. Turn the camera clockwise until securely tightened. Extend the tripod and adjust it to the desired angle before shooting. 4. M for wireless microphone. The C400 Pro series supports connection to the SJCAM M4 wireless microphone. Connecting the wireless microphone for the first time requires 2 steps. Step 1. Enable the wireless microphone function. Turn on the camera. Tap the settings icon in the lower right corner. Open the camera settings page. Swipe down and find wireless microphone. Tap to enable the function. Step 2. Enter pairing mode. Press and hold the microphone power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. The microphone indicator will flash blue. Then press and hold the pairing button for 3 seconds. The microphone will enter pairing mode. The indicator will flash blue and green alternately for 3 seconds. Wait for the microphone and camera to pair automatically. Once paired, the microphone indicator will remain solid blue. If pairing is unsuccessful, tap reconnect on the camera's wireless microphone screen.